Okay.
This is a 2005 Gromax tool and cutter grinder. This machine, when they purchased the machine, very shortly after they got the machine, they outsourced all of their grinding. So this machine is virtually new, and we have a workhead on it that I don't think goes with it, but that's going. And we also have another workhead that's quarter horse motor. It's Brown and Sharp 11 taper. We have the tooling for it. We have the wheel covers. There's a lot of stuff. There's another piece of the tailstock. And we're going to run it now. Well, the table is 25 inches long, and there's 15 inches of workspace. And we also have a belt tensioner over here. I also have extra belts for it. I have a lot of extra wheels. And now we're going to show you how the machine works. That table has two speeds. One is for fine adjustment, and the other one you can move it quickly back and forth across. That's on the y-axis of the grinder. We also have a control for the z-axis, but you can't hardly see it move. It's a real fine adjustment. That's part of the tailstock fobs moving right now. All of that's adjustable too. That's that workhead. We haven't tried the other one yet, but I really don't think the other one's even been hooked up. And this is kind of interesting here. You can flip this out of the way so that you can move the table farther past the stops. And also, that table will turn. You can set the angles on that. And that's about it. I also have a lot of wheels. Probably everything. I have a whole cabinet full of tooling for it. So anyway, it's a nice machine.